Hello, everyone. Again, this is Antonio, and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. First of all, I would like to start off by saying that this is not financial advice. The purpose of this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Now, as a lot of you have known, the market has been in the crapper for quite some time, but now the market is starting to slowly retrace itself, and we had like a little bounce today. Now, I know I've received some negative comments, some bearish people who come in and they really think that Cenntro is not going to be a big deal. But here, let me tell you, Cenntro is going to be a big deal. Now, Cenntro opened today at $1.58. Right now, the high was $1.80. The 52-week low, we hit that on actually what it was Friday or something like that at $1.51. But now Central is in the green. It's having some volume going on. We closed the day at $1.72. Is 8.86% bounce. After hours right now, we at $1.75. So it seems like we're going to retrace ourselves, and we may start to get back to where we were at. So the purpose of this video, we want to do some updates, talk about what's going on. We want to answer some questions if we get any. But right now, like I said today, Central hit $1.80, and that's what we were talking about. So we want to talk about any type of updates that we can get on Central. Just the EV market itself has been battered and abused. That's the way I feel, because my money is in several EV stocks, not just Central, Lucid, Lordstown. You have Canoe, and then you got Faraday Future. So it's several other EV plays out there, and I have spoken about every last one I just mentioned several times. So right now, let's go to the Central site, and there has been some new updates on the site that we want to talk about. The video that's playing in the background is an awesome video, but we want to talk about Cenntro Electric Group is a leader in commercial electric vehicles sales and production. For people that do not know anything about Cenntro, vehicles delivered 3,600, 20 million miles plus miles traveled, over 238 patent granted, 32 plus countries certified, 16 plus countries shipped, and 6 plus assembly plants. We're going to go through the whole site. Just take our time, dissect. Let's see what's new. Meet the smartest delivery solutions on the planet, with more vehicles on the road than any competitor. If you haven't seen Central ECV in action, you will. You will soon. You will soon. All right, let's click here, and let's see if they got it on the road. These are the vehicles. We have talked about this several times as well. You got the Metro. The Metro is the first vehicle from the fleet. According to Miss Merriam, this has been around since 2014. Metro, convenient multi-purpose transportation vehicle suitable for urban logistics and services. Then you got the Logistar 400, all-electric purpose-built Class 4 vehicle designed to serve the last-mile urban delivery market. Also, they do have the Logistar 500 that will be hitting the market possibly the end of 2022 or the 2023. All right, you got the Neighbor, was competitively priced multi-purpose electric truck. It's the Neighbor 200. And then you got the Logistar 200 multi-purpose light all electric commercial vehicle, or ELCVs. That's what this was classified as. You got the off-road, which is the ORV, all electric purpose built off-road utility attached vehicle or side-by-side vehicle. We have so much going on. And this is also the Central chassis. Let's click here. We want to click on this one. so people can get a better understanding of what Cenntro have to offer. And I'm gonna keep talking about Cenntro. I'm gonna probably be repetitive in some of my videos. It doesn't matter. My money is locked up in this stock, just like a lot of you, and I'm definitely bullish on this stock. But the market is bearish, right? We are waiting on the FOMC to see what the Feds come out, and we already been dealing with inflation. But if they raise the interest rates, now we're going to be dealing with higher interest rates, and we will be dealing with inflation, right? We're printing more money than we have ever have in history, and that's just the facts. Central Chassis is the future of commercial autonomous driving applications. Apps can be downloaded to the Central Chassis for different vertical uses and can enable a recurring revenue model for Central. Example, applications include autonomous driving for city delivery, city sanitation, city surveillance, mobile vending, auto transportation, and rescue services. Production starting Q1 2023. Central owns 100% of the IP. How you don't like that, right? We own 100% of the IP, and we make our own chips. Advanced system on chip, fully digitalized the driving control system powered by chips developed and owned by Cenntro. Did we not say that you can control your own car? But you can control it with your phone. Smartphones are really smart if you program them that way, right? Smart driving is enabled by a SoC which connects the vehicle to an app on your smartphone. Central's SoC makes smart driving possible. The SoC connects the vehicle with the app on your smartphone. Central iChassis integrates with 4 open source system software platforms from Apple, Google, IBM, and Microsoft. Real-time vehicle monitoring, fleet management, speed control enabled for safety, vehicle performance data, predicts replacement schedule for parts, management, driving performance for safety. So Central Chassis offers a myriad of designs. So these are all the designs up close in your face. This is what you are investing in when you invest in Central. All of this are on the iChassis platform. So the iChassis is, that's the model, but they're showing you that different models can be designed on top of the iChassis. So all of these vehicles look different, but once 2023 rolls around, these vehicles, and this is a vending machine, right? On the iChassis. This is what we're talking about, folks. And possibly you have seen some of this stuff before. But I'm going to keep talking about it till I'm blue in the face because, like I said again, the PR is what needs to happen. Revolutionary commercial EV technology company with advanced market validated commercial vehicles, Central leads transportation in the auto industry through scalable, decentralized production and fully digitalized autonomous driving solutions empowered by the Central iChassis. That's a little tongue twister. So try to read that. And this is what we are talking about. And that's Peter Wayne, recognized as an outstanding Asian American businessman. Peter co-founded UT Starcom in 1991, one of the largest telecom solution providers in Asia at the time of company formation. So let's keep going. Let's see what else new on the website. We're talking about news and technology. All right, so nothing to see here, honestly. Let's go to technology. All right, so a lot of this stuff we already talked about, so let's keep going. We spoke about the vehicles. Let's talk about investors relations. Now, this is a new tab. I don't think I've seen this tab, or maybe it was revamped since the time. So Cenntro Electric Group achieves, all right, it's flashing fast for me. Cenntro Electric Group announces the change of trading symbol. So these are updated information that's flashing kind of fast. Produces and delivers first largest style 200 light urban delivery electric vehicles to Europe markets. And this is showing some new information. Cenntro to participate in the Barrett 2022 Vehicle Technology and Mobility Conference. That's going to be a recent event. They already talked about the CES. So this has already took place, I want to say. And then these are some of the other news. So this is what was not there. This is definitely new. And the Cenntro participate in the BART 2022 Vehicle Technology and Mobility Conference. Is anything gonna manifest itself? Because if not, we're gonna keep going. Let's see if we got any questions or comments. No questions or comments. But if you do, please place it, place it. Are you bullish? Let's talk about it. Are you bullish or bearish over Cenntro? Let's type that. Are you bullish or bearish? Because a lot of times over time, people become bullish and bearish with a stock that they're in. But the problem is we become so infused in the stock because right now we are dealing with inflation and we are dealing with the FOMC who is thinking about raising the interest rates by March. So, but like I said again, it looks like Cenntro has an opportunity to start retracing itself. So CENN Electric Group, $1.72, after markets 175. Now, a lot of people might be like, how you get excited about that? Well, because I am. Anytime I see the green, even though I know I'm thousands in the hole right now, it still makes me happy. So, for people that's coming on late, I want to know if you're bullish or bearish, but we still need to talk about some aspects of Cenntro. All right, so let's talk about financials. Let's see if anything come here. This is the SEC filings. So they are starting to show better PR, showing the FEC filings. So January 26th, filing by persons reporting own shares of common stock in a public company. Another report from January 13th. Another one January 13th. So this is what we were looking for. So let's see what this is right here. And this is just talking about the Form SE13D. Not going to really get into it a lot. So let's come over to Twitter. And I know that Rip and Dip and Real Talk with Josh, they always stay afloat when it comes down to Cenntro. And let's see if we got anything going. Market close. This 3 hours ago, CENN stock update, live technical analysis. And then Rip and Dip is talking about other stocks as well. But the purpose of this video is strictly Cenntro. So we want to stay there. So let's go to Cenntro. Let's go to Real Talk with Josh and see if he got anything new. Because sometimes he posts exciting things, but looks like Josh is traveling, so he haven't have anything new. But let's type in Cenntro all together and let's see if we get anything new going on. All right. So how about that? Cenntro Motors, Rip and Dip again. And then this is the new release on PW on LinkedIn. This is a new video. Let's blow this up. All right. So this is new release by PW on LinkedIn. So this is another vehicle by Cenntro. Anything else? That's just showing you another angle of it. So this is the love this view. This is the LS200. These are the vehicles that was delivered in Europe. Let me retweet this while I'm at it. All right, so let's keep going. A driverless mobile locker, which can be a future product. Peter Wayne is showing you what's going on. And ironically, this may be built on the iChassis platform. Once you get the right platform, once we own the right platform, that's all we need. This is something else that's going on. Let's click here. Any questions or comments? Let's keep going. Froze all electric dessert truck takes food mobility to another level. The reason why they posting this is because this may be built, and I'm not going to read all of that, and kudos for them for taking it to another level. But I believe this is built on the Cenntro platform, and that's why they posting it, right? So kudos for him taking it to another level. But the purpose of the video we want to talk about. So right here, this is a CENN. Yep, this happened. For those who haven't seen it yet, Cenntro, last mile delivery, commercial vehicle, electric vehicle, Cenntro Motors. This is why people say that they are going to be in on the Cenntro stock for a long time, because our vehicles can be morphed into different types of vehicles. Even though it's the same vehicle, it can be built to offer different purposes. And I did do a video on some of the different ways this same vehicle has been twisted to to meet different purposes. So, CENN, do I dare? $2 plus a week? I mean, this week, heck, why not? So that's what we're talking about. We're talking about come on, CENN, let's get high. This is another one. Cenntro website shows only visuals. Nothing proves that the vehicles really exist. Come on, people. It just showed you that these vehicles exist, right? They come on now. People are posting these vehicles left and right. These, so you say they don't exist, but this is the same vehicle, right? So the Tropos, Peter Wayne, I believe, owned 19% of this company. So this is still part of, in a way, some of our technology. So so this is I just want to do a quick update on what's going on with Cenntro, how all of the good things is going on with Cenntro as a company, because us YouTubers got to keep everybody informed. We are thousands in a hole, but that's not going to deter me not to get into this stock, because over time, the technology in our vehicles are bar none. That's why I invest. That's why for me, I invested in Cenntro because of that point. I feel that because of this fact, that a lot of us will be able to get and stop making money, but you got to wait till the market retraces itself. We are dealing with an inflation, and on top of that, the Feds are talking about raising the interest rates in March, the FOMC. So if they raise the interest rates, it's not going to be good for nobody when you think about the aspect of your money. So right now, as a recap, we just want to talk about Cenntro. Opened the day at $1.58. Terrible, terrible. I had people say that Cenntro is going to drop under $1 this week. But for me to see that Cenntro is at this point at $1.72, it really shows that we have some fighting power. The market cap is way below where it should be at 449 million for a company that's offering all of the aspects of Cenntro that is offering. I call that crazy. I mean, with just the autonomous part alone is the one of the reasons why Tesla, that yet they have great looking vehicles, but that's one reason why Tesla is doing what they're doing. But we got 238 patents granted, not pending, granted. So a company like that is only worth less than $500,000 with the fleet of cars that we have, the our chassis that's coming, the cars that can be built on our chassis. Is no way I'm going to believe that we should be undervalued at that point. Now, I wanted to make this quick video, not a long drawn out video. We don't have anyone that's commenting. If you want to comment, like I posted, are you bullish or bearish? Because that helps determine how you feeling about the market. Some people were riled up once we went through all of the reverse splits. We went through all of the complaints with NASDAQ. A lot of people were, in a good space. But then when the market, after we went through everything, then the market, what did it do? The inflation hit us like an anvil. It really did. It hit us like an anvil. And a lot of our money right now in different stocks and cryptos are basically worthless. A lot of these companies look like whirlpools because of how the market, like the crypto market 2 months ago was 3.4 trillion. The crypto market the last time I looked was 1.7 trillion. So we got to get back and beat this inflation. And then now we've got to worry about, what the Feds may do with the interest rates. And that combination of what's going on is really dragging out the market. So this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be coming to you with more videos. We're going to keep banging the drums with videos every day, because that's the job that I chose for myself, to become a YouTuber so I could talk about money. And a lot of people don't want to talk about stock and cryptos now because just where things are. But I want to keep going on and keep talking about it. So we're going to keep banging the drum and keep coming to you with more videos in the future. And we will see you next time.